ABC Mouse.
Hello, I'm Violet. Are you ready? Let's draw. Today, I'm visiting my friend's house. Can you guess who lives here? We're about to find out. It's Pink.
Welcome, Violet. This is my living room. Do you like it?
It looks like all the furniture is missing. Pink must have accidentally erased it all. He is an eraser after all. Pink, look around. I don't see a couch. I don't see a table.
Oh no! My living room! What do I do?
I know what to do. I can help. Let's draw. Tell me what to do.
Wow! Thanks, Violet. A couch! A couch is in the living room.
Got it. Couch. The couch is in the living room.
A table. A table is next to the couch. Here.
Ta-da! The table is next to the couch.
And there is a TV. It goes here.
Is that all?
Oh, my cat! My cat sleeps under the couch.
The cat is under the couch. It is so cute.
Wow, Violet! My living room is so great! Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Pink.
Now let's sit and watch TV.
Pink, wait!
Oh, oops.
Don't worry, Pink. I'm happy to help you again. You're my friend. Want to help out our friend Pink? Then let's draw another couch together. Grab a pencil and some paper. Draw what I draw. Draw the legs. Then draw the couch cushions. Now add some pillows. Now add color. I like green and yellow. Wow, it looks so soft. You did a great job. Drawing together is amazing. Hello, my name is Violet. Are you ready? Let's draw. Drawing isn't just fun. You can do anything with art. Even help someone. Oh, look, here comes someone now. I know. Maybe we can help them.
I'm hungry.
Hungry. He is hungry. Aha! Cookie. Here is a cookie.
A cookie! Yum! Thank you!
You're welcome. Look. Are you hungry?
I'm not hungry.
How are you?
Tired. I'm tired.
She is tired. Oh! Here is a bed.
A bed. Thank you. Good night.
How are you?
Scared! I see a spider! I'm scared!
A spider? Oh no, he is scared. I have an idea. I know what to do. Here is a cat.
A cat? Thank you, Violet.
Ta-da! We help so many people. Isn't that... Oops. Isn't that incredible? Do you want to try? First, grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Draw what I draw. Circle. 1 ear, 2 ears. 1 eye, 2 eyes. Nose, mouth. Beautiful! Drawing together is amazing! Ooh! Hi, I'm Violet. Are you ready? Let's draw. Today, I'm talking with my friends. I think some of them need my help. Hi, Alice. Where were you yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday. I was on a farm. I was busy.
How do you feel today?
Today, I am tired.
She was busy yesterday. She is tired today. I want to help. I know.
I am relaxed. I am not busy. Thank you, Violet.
You're welcome. Now she is relaxed. Goodbye, Alice. Hi, Danny. How are you today?
I am worried. I am looking for my pet. My pet is a dog.
Oh no, he is worried. I can help.
My dog, Jasper. Now I am not worried. I am happy. Thanks, Violet.
You're welcome, Danny. Hi, Monica. What did you do last weekend?
Hello, Violet. I played basketball last weekend. I feel sad.
Oh no. I know. I can draw a new basketball.
Wow! Thank you, Violet. I am not sad. I am excited.
We can use art to talk about our feelings. Isn't that wonderful? Now, let's draw together. Grab a pencil and some paper. Draw what I draw. Let's draw a dog. First, let's draw the body. Then draw the head, nose, mouth, and eyes. 2 curved lines for the ears, and 4 legs. Something is missing. Oh, a tail! Look, a dog! Great job! Drawing together is amazing! See you next time! Ooh. Hello, I am Miss Violet. Are you ready? Let's draw! Their faces, they're missing. They must have run into an eraser. I know, I can draw faces. How are you?
I'm sad.
Sad. Sad. How are you?
I'm sick.
Sick. Sick. How are you?
I'm angry.
Angry. Sad. Sick. Angry. Poor things. They all feel terrible. I wish we could help. I know what to do. Now, how are you?
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am happy.
We are happy.
Ta-da! They are happy. I'm so glad we could help our friends feel better. Do you want to try? First, grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Draw what I draw. Circle. A dot and a dot. Look, a smile. Beautiful. Drawing together is amazing.
Found a talking frog and being a kind little miss, she picked up the frog who asked her, would you kindly give me a kiss? She kissed the frog on the top of his head, then jumped back in surprise. The talking frog turned into a king right before her eyes. The king gave Kaylee the key to his kingdom and asked, will you marry me? Kaylee married the king and they had lots of kids and forever lived happily. Kid who played songs on his kazoo, but when he did, it tickled his nose and made him sneeze. Kerchoo! He had a little sister named Kimmy who liked to fly her kite. Kenny helped Kimmy to tie on a string and told her, hold it tight. But Kimmy couldn't keep holding on and the kite flew way up high. When it disappeared behind a cloud, she kissed that kite goodbye. Hooray! Hooray! For the letter K.
I found the shamrock for Jamie's St. Patrick's Day scavenger hunt! Ta-da!
Oh, that is not a shamrock. A shamrock has 3 leaves, not 4.
Oh, I really wanted to help Jamie win.
At least it's green. Don't give up, ABC. We'll find a shamrock. Together.
I give up. We searched everywhere.
Maybe shamrocks are imaginary, like leprechauns. ABC, what are you sitting on?
My tail?
No, silly! Look under you! 3 leaves?
Check.
Heart-shaped?
Check. It is a shamrock.
It was right here all along.
Hey, if shamrocks are real, maybe leprechauns are too. We should go on a leprechaun hunt.
ABC. Everyone knows leprechauns don't really exist.
Oh, just what I was looking for. Me thanks to ye, wee mice, for saving me the trouble.
Mr. Leprechaun, wait! Our friend Jamie needs that shamrock. It's the last thing she needs for her scavenger hunt.
Why didn't you say so? In that case, I'll deliver it personally, myself.
Look! It's a leprechaun!
I have a hunch Jamie just won the scavenger hunt.
I am short, she is tall. I am big, she is small. Short, tall, big, small. Short, tall, big, small. I am young, he is old. I am hot, he is cold. Young, old, hot, cold. Young, old, hot, cold. Here's my mom, here's my dad. She is happy, he is sad. Mom, dad, happy, sad. Mom, dad, happy, sad. It is fast, he is slow. Now we stop, now we go. Fast, slow, stop, go. Fast, slow, stop, go. It is black, it is white. This is day, this is night. Black, white, day, night. Black, white, day, night.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. 7 sailors in a sailboat sailed across the salty sea. They settled in and watched the sunset, eating a sandwich and sipping tea. Sam and Sue saw 7 seagulls soaring high up in the sky. The seagulls swirled and swooped and swayed. It's such a sight to see them fly. It isn't very hard to guess. This song's about the letter S. More than any words by far. Start with letter S, the one that follows all. The letter S. Susie Seal sang for her supper, singing songs to get some fish. Speckled, spotted, spiny, striped, sardines and salmon are so delish. I see Sydney in the sandbox, Sally stringing beads on strings. And I see Simon's sister swimming, and Sarah somewhere swinging on the swings. It isn't very hard to guess. This song's about the letter S. More than any words by far. Start with letter S, the one that follows all. The letter S. Lots of S words are fun to say, so let's all say some, and this is how. Silly, soapy, sloppy, slurpy, sleepy. Wow! I think you got it now. It isn't very hard to guess. This song